You ready? Lucas, you're filming my thing, my intro. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something kind of fun for you car guys. We're going to go on a little FPV expedition, if you will, but it's mainly going to be kind of a mid-range range test with the WLToys 12428. Got a new radio, or I should say new receiver in it. The other one kind of pooped out after I did that snow ride, and so I got another one in it. We're going to test it out. I'm going to show you where we're going. We're at this construction site where they're going to be putting in a neighborhood or something, and if you can see all the way down there, I looked on Google Maps, it's about 500 meters, half a kilometer. Now, I'm pretty sure we shouldn't have any trouble getting there. There's very little noise interference here except for a school across the street. So we're going to get up on top of this here, give ourselves a little bit better advantage as far as height, and there's a few little trails that we can get off on when we get to the other side, a couple little hills, and just see if we can make it there and back. Got my trusty co-pilot Lucas here with me, and he's going to help be my spotter. So I'm going to goggle up, get some batteries in it, and see if we can get there and back without having to do any walking. So don't go anywhere.
Do I have to walk over?
Alright guys, there you go. It definitely made it 500 meters. As you can see in the picture-in-picture, my video got really sketchy and I couldn't see a whole lot. But thankfully Lucas was following behind me, got me unstuck off that one little mound. And other than that, we did have another little minor failure. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get in here. And our drive shaft in the rear popped out. I've already fixed this once in the past, so I kind of know what's wrong with it. Should be a simple fix. But anyway, guys, I know it was a long video. I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for more content. Talk to you in the next one. Oh man, my drive shaft came out.
What's the drive shaft?